How we doing? How we doing? Today is Monday, October the 7th, 2024. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for today. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Um, so it looks like the 10-year yield has gone up over 4%. The reason why we mentioned the 10-year yield is because that rate most affects mortgage rates. So we're starting to see mortgage rates go up, and two, with the 10-year yield going up, it's showing that people have more confidence, or the market has more confidence in the long term. A lot of times when you see like a 10-year yield or the 30-year yield, treasury yield come down, get below 4%, closer to 2%, that meaning that a lot of investors feel that long term it doesn't look good. So this is giving the market, the stock market, some confidence that investors are seeing things are improving on the outlook long term. So that does affect the interest rate. So it's going to be interesting to see how many actual contracts, people who are in contract right now, how many of those close. If rates start to creep back up, I think right now they're just about between like 6.25% and 6.5%. People might have gotten into contract when their rates were closer to 6%, and a half a point or something like that can make a big difference in somebody's payment. So it's going to be interesting to see what the data shows in terms of pending contracts actually getting into closed transactions, especially with the time of the year. And we are starting to see more listings come on the market. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. I think that there's still opportunities out there. Some people that have to sell and are trying to possibly get ahead of what they think may be coming. So there might be some opportunity out there for that. So this week, putting out more information in regards to seller financing and the benefits for sellers. I'm focusing on sellers this week. So I'm going to put together a video before the end of the week and post it to the YouTube channel in regards to sellers and why you should consider seller financing if you're looking to sell a property. Again, seller financing is not for every seller, but there are sellers out there that fit that their property and their situation fit for seller financing on that particular property. And we'll kind of go over some of the reasons why you want to do that and focus on that this week. And then I'll talk about buyers as well, but I'm going to be posting more videos on a weekly basis on the YouTube channel. So if you see this, go to Abundant Capital Group on YouTube. There's already a bunch of videos there, but we're going to be adding to that, just kind of walking through, because I feel like sellers need to understand why they should consider it. Just as one of the reasons that we'll talk about is an investment strategy. You don't necessarily have to sell that house and cash in all the equity at the time that you sell it. You may be able to sell it in a way where it is gaining interest for you. So you could possibly gain money on the equity that's in the property. Maybe you only have a certain amount of equity now, but if you can get that year after year to gain 5-6% or more per year, why not look at that? Depending on your current situation, you could get X amount of dollars today, and then have that equity continue to build in that particular property. So, or your money, I should say, not necessarily your equity, but the money that would be your equity. You could still have that continue to grow for some time, for some years to come in the future. So Go to Abundant Capital Group on YouTube, bunch of videos there, and then like I said, subscribe to the channel, do the notifications, and as I put these other videos out there, you can get those as well. So all right, talk to everybody soon. You have a great day.